time working hard to make everything cool down, ready for school job. Very simple. It's a simple thing. Let's check if this one must be on. Okay. Now, as I told you, this white. On the car to cut it, just they cut down the complete car. Yeah, you can broken this glass, the coolant for filling the gas.
Before I working on German cars, BMW, Mercedes, and now I take a step forward for work on Teslas. Dr. Ramin is teaching me. Very understand. He can teach very well. I understand everything.
Hi, so we got the training today from Dr. Ramin. He is the best in Teslas at the moment in Dubai. And yeah, Teslas are very, like, you know, the growing future at the moment, and to get the training from the best is always the best. And today we have started with the basics of the car, and that one, all the basic functioning and basic accessibilities to the car in emergencies and everything has been taught today. So, and it was very clear with the presentation made and also with the practical. So we got both at the same time, which was best and very clear. All the doubts were cleared on the spot over here. All the doubts were cleared with the questions in the presentation. So that's very good and great.